Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. It will go down to the wire in deciding the champion jockey at Caymanas Park on Saturday's final race meet of the year. As we'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, despite Dane Dawkins having a 4-win lead at the top of the standings, reigning champion Anthony Thomas could overturn that deficit.
Dane Dawkins has had a brilliant year, and he underlined his class, winning some of the biggest races and classics, including the Derby, aboard Horse of the Year frontrunner Atomica. Dawkins is among a select group of jockeys to have ridden 100 winners in a season, and with one hand on his first ever jockey's title, he has secured 8 rides on Saturday's 10-race card, including aboard 9-5 anti-post favourite Mahogany in the feature Ian Levy Cup. However, Dawkins, who has been the leading rider for most of this season, has been unable to shake off 3-time champion jockey Anthony Thomas. Thomas won his first title in 2018 just as his apprenticeship ended. He finished joint champion with Dane Nelson in 2020 and was the runaway winner last year. Thomas was ridden over 500 winners at Caymanas Park since he began riding in 2015, won 113 last year compared to his current total of 96 so far this season. But he still has a mathematical chance of retaining his title. Thomas, who has secured 9 rides, has to win a minimum of 5 races and hope that Dawkins remains winless. He'll partner I've Got Magic, who comes in at overnight odds of 5-1 in the Grade 1 feature, going 8.5 furlongs. Now, I've Got Magic won the Awufa Sprint on December 11, going 6 furlongs. The imported Bay Colt is now up in class and going a longer trip. However, with the scale in his favour at 110 pounds, he should run well. But Mahogany, with favourite rider Dawkins in the saddle, has won 4 races, including the Gold Cup, in 7 starts. The 5-year-old Chestnut Gelding went within shades of the track record of this distance earlier in his career and will be the one to catch. The likes of Mute Mile winner Excessive Force, who bids for a hat-trick, gets the perfect trip and should be a prominent factor. 9 horses are set to face the starter at 3:55 p.m. First post is set for 11:20 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.